Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Sprouts Farmers Market loyalty card with the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to grocery shop with Sprouts, but you also want to make sure that you use your loyalty card when you shop through Instacart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So there's actually two ways you can go ahead about doing so. First thing that you can do is log on to the Instacart app. Then click on Sprouts Farmers Market, and then towards the top, you can click on Add Loyalty. It's going to take you to this page here where you can either link or join for free on the Sprouts Rewards program. Now, the other way that you can do it is that you can click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner, then click on Add Loyalty Cards. Then from here, scroll down until you find Sprouts Farmers Market and click on Add Card. Now, on this page here, this is where you can earn points, offers, and classes. Click on confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Sprouts Farmers Market loyalty card with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.